I feel like I hate when I have these cars that have show me problems, but there's no symptoms. Just problems, you know? Race it to the garage. Wow, it's still hot out. You don't expect this in this time of year. Once again, it is February. Oh my gosh, we gotta turn on the lights in the shop. These actually lighted up really good. I forgot. Oh yeah, little babes is in the window. Yeah, we got the Prelude axle finished since the last time you guys talked to us. Paint. We did so much suspension work to this car. It needs an alignment. It needs an inspection sticker still. But we organized the garage because we're doing a lot of work. Man, look at the freaking positive camber on the Wagon. It is traumatic. Yeah, I was driving and doing the errands the other day, and I noticed the car was idling really, really low. Like, it wasn't like shuddering. It was like, not like a misfire. It was like hesitant because it was idling really low. And then I realized that staring at any time the blinker would flash, every other light on the dash would dim. All right, so this is a cold start. I haven't driven the car in like a couple days now. All right, cold start. See, starts up fine. So this is my cold start. You wanna go for a ride? I'm claiming that's a good, healthy idle. And right now, I'm not having any dimming. Beautiful day. That's our lake by our town. I kayak in there. We're still trying to get this temp up, like fans coming on. Yo, people are fishing today. I saw people out in kayaks. Sorry for being so ADHD, but this is my life. Yo, that's the person I saw. What a legend. It's so nice out. Why aren't they I should have been in the water today. I'm just worried if I flip, I'm gonna drown because it's way cold in that lake. Ooh, we could have gotten some really good pics of the Wagon down by the water right now. Still idling good. That is still a healthy idle. It should never have idled that low. Like, that's a good healthy idle. That's how it was idling in the woods. See, that doesn't cut down the idle. Who's that? Oh, Killian. Yeah, we always see the McCoy family anytime I'm out on this road. So now I guarantee we go back into our garage, turn her on, turn her off, and then she's gonna idle weird. All right, people. Now we're getting that lower idle. Can you see it? Things are dimming.
See it?
You cannot see that?
Go on an angle.
It is. You can kind of see it in here. I'm sick of idle issues, people. My old Prelude motor, always nothing but idle issues. My Euro R, never a problem.
I don't know. I only drive to cons with drive
by
wire.
Doesn't even know what this is. He's a new car guy. Maybe we need to adjust the tension. You know all about that with your Prelude. Oh yeah, another addition that I haven't put on film yet. Took these old reservoir covers for my Prelude, got new ones for the Prelude, and then put them on here. Actually looks good with the blue bay. I never had a blue car before, so the NGKs, which are not even anymore. No, we should be good. NGK wires, that, and we got a blue intake.
Then we have to put the snorkel back here.
I don't think so. I think we should put like a cold air because we have one. All right, until next time, happy Wagon Wednesday, and stay tuned for our next struggle. Tomorrow's Wagon Wednesday, and I'm rushing to get a video out. As I was editing and I was revisiting the problem, I started thinking, and when I started thinking, it pointed me at an air idle control valve. Before I forget about it, shout out to EF Parts. I bought 2 blank keys and got them cut at this local place. So I finally have original keys. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take the IAC off, which is this little guy here. I think there should be two 12mm bolts. This one clip. There is gonna be coolant in here, people, so I honestly probably should get something on that. 30 years. One. There's so much. I come from a world of room. There's no freaking room in this engine bay. Alright, I kind of get distracted when I start doing these things. I've seen Preludes where like this is like completely caked. You have to like drill out these ports. This screen was all black. I kind of like got some coolant on it. That's why it like clogged up. But I'm gonna clean this out with carb cleaner. See what happens. There you go. So I cleaned out the airflow for the IAC. Cleaned everything out. I'm gonna put everything back together. Put this plate back on. And put it back on the car. It's pretty simple. Got the plate back on. Made that tight. One last. Clean. And just reverse the steps. Alright, the two hoses on. I don't even know how that happened, but it happened. 2 bolts. Oh man, which one was on the top and which one was on the bottom? Didn't pay attention to that. This car perplexes me. Give me an H series. I mean, it's all the same, but I feel I'm more comfortable with the H series. That's not good. Yo, as I'm making this post, everybody, I'm on the Wagon page. I'm just trying to figure out what should the stock, like, cold start idle and operating temp idle be for the D16A6. I don't know. It's not 1,000. Is it 850? Is it 900? It's sure as hell not 500 because I feel like it's literally gonna die. I think next, I think that's the fast idle valve. I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna clean the throttle body. I don't know what else this could be. I'm gonna adjust the idle screw if this car has something like that. I don't know, I've never worked on one of these before. I'm kind of learning. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow on Wagon Wednesday, we could, on the actual Wagon Wednesday, we could check this out. But I gotta go finish editing this video. Uh-oh. Curse of the old car. I had this on film too. Oh no.